Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're removing a front seat from a 2008 Honda Accord, and this can go for a lot of different models. I don't know exactly how many, but if yours looks similar, it's basically similar. They're all hold down with 4 bolts. Maybe the bolt sizes will be different, but that's about it. And this one, what we do is roll the seat up. If it's power, you put it up. Manual, same thing. Over here you have a little trim piece. You just pop this up. 14 millimeter. Same thing in the front. All right. I'm gonna do that. And then what we want to do is you want to put the seat all the way. Once you get those 2 bolts out, you want to get the seat all the way up as much as possible so it can come out. This is a 4-door, so 2 doors a little bit wider, so that's how you get it out. Don't keep it extended. Keep it all the way up to the steering wheel as possible. Okay, so now then you tip up the seat, and what you want to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal first. I should have said that in the beginning. All right, unless you don't want to play around with this. This basically is a clip, and this is for the yellows are always airbag, and this clip slides all the way up. You see, it goes in here like this. Right, and this black piece slides all the way up and the whole thing pops off. And over here you got this little tab. See this little tab? You just push that little tab in and just pry it with a little screwdriver, and the same thing with this one. All right, now you're released, and now you can just remove the seat. Well, sorry, I spoke too soon. The seat belt right here. There's a little access panel right here. You see? Basically, you try to push it up and pop it out, and then you got your 14 millimeter to get it out. And then that's it. I'm going to be replacing the seat bottom on here because of this rip. If you want to watch that video, that's coming up next. So, watch that one. And then MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.